Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger update here on our website. It is Monday, February 17th. We are not in school today as we are observing President's Day. But nonetheless, this is going to be a busy week and a busy couple weeks coming up for the high school. So that's why I want to give a little update here to keep everybody on the same page. Our Lady Tiger basketball team won both games last week as they defeated Owensboro at home and then at Hancock County in an exciting game Friday night. That moved our Lady Tigers to 17 and or 17 and 8 or I'm sorry 17 and 7 on the season, and that puts us as the number 2 seed behind Meade County for our district tournament, which is next week. Our Fighting Tigers last week lost at Muhlenberg County on Tuesday night, but then defeated Hancock County in a nice ball game Friday night, and that put our Fighting Tigers in the for the number 1 seed for the district tournament next week. Next week again will be our district tournament. All those games will be held at Meade County High School. Our Lady Tigers will start off 11th district tournament. That'll be on Monday night, the 24th. Lady Tigers will take on Hancock County at 5:30. That is Central Standard Time, and then Meade County and Cloport will follow that game at 7:15. Again, it's on the first night, Monday, February 24th. Our Fighting Tiger basketball team will start off their district tournament run on Tuesday night as they will play at 7:15 against Frederick Fraze High School, the number one seed versus number 4 seed. Meade County and Hancock County will play in the game prior to that, and that'll be at 5:30. All those times are Central Standard Time. Uh, Also next week, this week coming up here, our Lady Tigers will be home both games. They will be taking on Henderson County tomorrow night. Game times are 6 and 7:30. And then our Lady Tigers will conclude their regular season, on Friday night at here at home as they will host Owensboro Catholic. Those game times are 5:30 and 7. Our Fighting Tigers will conclude their regular season this week as they'll be on the road both games. They will be at Central Hardin on Tuesday night, and they will be at Whitesville Trinity on Thursday night. And that concludes this week's Tiger update. I'll leave you how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.